Hi friends, welcome to S&R McTech, our car Micharat. Hello guys, at last video we studied about how to increase rear wheel height of Maruti 800. At this video we can study how to increase front wheel height. Some guys using 13 or 14 inch wheel rims and tires, that time the tire will touches the body. For solving this, we increase height of the front suspension. So the wheel never touch on the body. Before doing this work, I am measuring the height. The height is 8.5 inch. After for this work, we need to remove the wheel nut and we need to remove the suspension also. So I am going to lose the wheel nut before jacking the vehicle. After jacking the vehicle, I am going to remove the wheel nut and take the wheel out. So, first of all, we need to remove the strut assembly for this work. For removing strut assembly, I am going to remove the E-clip of the brake. So, the brake fluid pipe will be free. After that, I am going to remove the downside 2 bolts of the front strut assembly. The wheel nut size is 17. By using another 17 spanner, we need to lock the bolt also. Otherwise, the bolt will turn. After that, we going to remove the upside 12 mm bolt. Nuts, not bolt, nuts, and I am take out the strut assembly fully. This is the height increasing spacer. It will fix like this, but if we fix like this, the bolt is very short. So we need to change the bolt also. For this assembly of the spacer, I can get bolt also, big bolt. So we need to remove the old bolt like this. Before doing this work, your people will mustly watch this video properly. So see how to remove the bolts. After removing this bolt, we can fix new bolt. The new bolt will be like bolt. So guys, this is a new bolt and nuts. This is more larger than the old company bolt. These 2 bolts are fixing like this, and the spacer assembly we can fix like this. See? So we can fix this on the vehicle. The height increasing is very easy procedure. Only we need to get that spacer assembly and nut. See, at this time the strut assembly will go downside. 1.5 inch thickness spacer assembly is this. So the spacer will touch the body and the strut assembly will going downside. So the height also will increase. First I fix that two nuts on the top of the strut assembly through the body. For tightening this, we need to hold downside bolt also, because the company bolt get milling on the strut assembly, but this bolt have no milling. That's why this bolt will turn. Guys, don't do this work on normal wheels. It will reduce the driving stability. If you use big tires, it will touch on the body. Only that time do like this height increasing procedure. We need to just lose the lower arm bolt, because when we fixing that height increasing spacer, the suspension will strut assembly will go downside. If we not lose this one, we can't fix that strut assembly properly. That's why we losing this one. Don't remove, only just lose. Only just lose and hold with one long rod like this, and you will fix these two bolts downside the strut assembly. If you not lose this bolt, it is very difficult to fix the strut of assembly downside. After that, we must need to tight this lower arm bolt. Don't forget. Tight it properly. After that, we need to tight these two bolts properly by using 17 mm box and 17 mm ring spanner. Then you are able using normal wheel. Don't do this work because it will lack on the driving stability. The rear wheel height increasing never will affect the driving stability, but this will affect the driving stability. After the completion of the fixing of strut assembly, we can fix the wheel. After fixing the wheel nut, we can tighten it properly by using T-rod and box set. Tighten it properly, and we can remove the jack and hose. After removing the jack, we can check height. Before the height is 8.5. Now you can check the height is 9.5 inch. So almost 1 inch height will increase. See, like this you can increase your front height of the vehicle. So if you like this video, please share to others and subscribe my channel. See, this is the long view of my car. Thanks for watching my small channel. Have a nice day.